Good afternoon, guys. We're going to work on our beginning sounds, beginning letter sounds. So you're going to look at the picture. And what is this a picture of? It's a dinosaur. So does dinosaur start with a B, F, or D? Dinosaur. So we're going to circle the D. All right, the next picture, sun. Does sun start with a C, S, or T? Sun. S. And circle your S. The next picture is a bike. Does bike start with an H, D, or the B sound? Bike. B. Next picture is a heart, and it says be mine. So it's a Valentine. Does Valentine start with W, V, or J? Valentine, V. Next picture, pen, pen. Is that the Q, J, or P sound? Pen, P. Next we have a cat. Is that going to be the C sound, V, or J? Cat, C. All right, the next picture is of a glass. So does that start with an R, G, or L sound? Glass, G sound. Next picture is of a cup. Does cup start with the C sound, the Q sound, or the I sound? Cup. It's the C. I'm not sure what this is a picture of, guys. What is it, Miss Shazine?
Kiss.
Oh, it's a kiss. Miss Beth, I didn't know. All right, this is two people giving each other a kiss. Starts with the K. This is a picture of a drum. What is the sound you hear in the word drum? It's the D sound. Next picture is of a web. What does web start with? It's the W sound. Last picture is a giraffe, which actually sounds like a J, but sometimes the G can make that same sound. So it's the G for giraffe. All right, make sure you guys write your name at the top and just go through each picture and say the picture and listen for that beginning sound and circle the correct letter. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye.